Okay, so these are the pieces for the torso, although it is missing this, but the pieces for this will come up later on. Here, yeah, so it's kind of organized in a way where this one's partially built because the orientation of that is just complicated, and usually when I make tutorials, it's like memorizing the pieces where they go, and this is a torso, so I don't have a reference for that, so that's why it's orientated the way it is, but let's get started. So to start, you'll need a 4x10, take a 2x4, place it in the center, then take one of these pieces, make sure it has pins on the back and on the front, or you could just get like a different thing for this, you know, but yeah. Anyways, then you take 1x8 and place it in the front so that's centered like that. Next, you want to take just some slanted 1x1, two slanted 1x1s and slanted 2x2. Place it on the side like that, and then a couple more on the other side, like so. Next, take well, you can just fill this up with bricks basically, but they don't have to be specific. I just use these because they're the ones I have. But essentially, just fill it up so that it's 4x8, like that. Next, take a 1x4, a 1x2 tile, place it in the center like that. Then take two 1x1 slanted pieces, place them on each side so that they're pointed on the opposite sides. And turn this around and place it, center it right here, like that. Okay, now let's see, we'll do, okay, got it. So move that to the side for now, and move this to the side. What you'll need, next you want to take 1x4 snap piece and a 1x4 brick. Place it on top of the snot like that. Then you want a 1x4, could be any, like the ones with 4. Place it under a 2x4 tile, and then take a 1x6, place it under that tile, like so. Then take two of these rounded 1x2s, place them to the side like that, and then lastly just place it on the top of that, like so. Make sure it's centered too. And then the next part. So let's see. Okay. Yeah. Take a 1x2 snap piece. I have one with holes, so I'm using this. Take a 2x2, place a 1x2 with a hole in the middle, place it on top of that, place that on top of that, like that. Next, take a slanted 1x2 and place it right here, in the middle like that, and then place it under this like so. Make sure it's centered. Then you want to take, okay, hopefully that's right. Then you want to take a, let's see, take, oh, this side is better. Take two 1x1 snot pieces, stack them together, and then place this weird looking piece on the bottom like that. Do it again, but on the opposite side. And then take a snot piece and place a slanted 1x1 facing the opposite direction, again on this side as well. And place each of those under like that, and like that. And this one should be right here. This side right here. So it's kind of like floating, but should end up like this on the back. Lastly, take a web piece. I use the gold ones from that Noe home set. Place it on top like that. We'll probably use this later. Okay. Next, we're gonna want to, get this thing back. Place this 2x8 on top. And then also, once this is in, place two 1x2s on each side like that. They don't have to be the specific color because it's inside, but yeah, place it there. Then what you want to do is take this piece and place it on this side. Make sure it's on the right side. Place it like so. I think. Yeah, that's how it should be. Yep. Like that. Then, next part, take a 1x6, place a 1x4 snap piece, brick on top, then take two 1x1 snap bricks, place them on the sides, like that, and then lastly take either 1x4 or two 1x2s, place them on top of that 1x4 snap base like that. And then place it on top, on the black side of that. Yep. Next, you're going to want to build, okay, we'll build the sides first. So, you're going to need 1x4, place a 1x4 brick on top, then take two inverted snot pieces, place them on top like that, and then, so I'm using this one as a reference, because you have to build two of these. Then you want to take a 1x1 and a 1x2 tile, place it on top, like so, and place two of them like that. Then this slanted smooth 2x4, place it's facing downwards like that. Make two of these. These specific orientations don't matter, they're the same thing, it's just these two are different, but it doesn't really matter overall, it's just for looks. Then you're going to take each of those and place it on the side like that. Yep, just like that. I'm saying that a lot. It's kind of annoying. Okay. Don't know if I can fix this, but I like that. Okay, next you're going to want to make something else. Take a 1x6 and a 2x8, place them in front of each other, and take another of these 2x4 smooth pieces, place it on top right here, and a 1x1 slanted piece on each side of that, like that. Then you're going to want to take these 1x2 slanted pieces. Make sure one is facing that way and the other one facing this way, so it's like they're both pointing upwards. And do the same for this side. Boom, boom, upwards, upwards. Lastly, you're going to take another 2x4 rounded piece thing, place it right there, and then take 1x4 and place it under that. Boom. Then you're going to want to place it You're going to want to place it so that this longer side is right here, like that. Boom. Okay, there's just one more part, and that is for this. Just gonna edit this out, but I'm gonna break this apart right now.